Guess what time it is, folks? It's time to cook some beef flanken ribs, and they're also known as tablitas. Hey man, whatever you want to call it, beef flanken ribs are really, really good. We're gonna smoke them up, we're gonna get them nice and tender, and we're gonna pig out. But you know what we gotta do first? Cheers to my current friends, and cheers to my new friends. Woo! Woo! All right, so what I have here is some beef flanken ribs that I have been marinating since yesterday. I say marinate, it's really a dry brine. A little piece of steak there for later. That's the chef's piece. All right, so here's my tablitas, also known as beef flanken ribs. And basically I marinated them yesterday. I put them in a dry brine and they're looking delicious. Smell fucking fantastic, actually. So this is all I have. This was a small set that I got. You know, it came from Land of Oz Beef. They do the best, man. I'm telling you, they got the best beef around. Check them out. But yeah, this right here, beef flanken ribs, they're all ready to go. We're gonna go straight to the smoker with this right now. It's already on preheat. And basically, you just take the flanken rib, dry it off, pat dry, you know, put whatever rub you want on it, and then put it on the grill. Yeah, baby. Oh, getting smoke in my eyes already. All right, we'll be back in an hour to take a look, man. All right, let's check it out. So we're at the 1 hour mark. This is what we got. Looking mighty, mighty, mighty delicious. All right, let's do one quick flip here. This is after an hour. They are looking good. You see some of that fat starting to render. Go ahead and flip the rest of these. Oh my goodness, so much smoke. All right, there we go. All right, so let's go for another hour. They're looking nice and smoky, but we're not there yet. Super break. Hey, we're gonna do a little half. Cheers to my friends. Woo! All right, boys, so it's been 2 hours. It looks like we're rendering pretty good. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take these out. We're gonna play done with smoke, right? No more smoke game. I got some butter in this 13x9. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these ribs in here. Yeah, play nice together, right? Make your buddy smile right here. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in the house and I'm gonna show you the rest of this thing that we're gonna do here. All right, some pretty interesting stuff we're gonna do. All right, so now we have our ribs in the house. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to fit these in here as good as possible. See if we can get some butter on here. Maybe I'll throw some butter on top. And then we're gonna go ahead and add, you know what? Let me just go ahead and add it now. So we're gonna go ahead and add a little beer to this. That's some liquid for steam. It'll be great. It'll be great, folks. This is that good backyard barbecue, let me tell you. All right, so we have the butter, we have the beer. What we're gonna do is grab some of this good Rufus Teague's made some sauce, touch-o heat. Touch-o heat, you know, it's not that much, but just a little bit of heat. We're gonna take that and we're gonna put that on there, and then we're gonna get this back on the grill. We go ahead and throw this in here. Come on, baby. Touch-o heat. It's really thick molasses-based barbecue. Just gotta get this on here. Okay, here we go, here we go. So now what we're gonna do is take this, we're gonna put this back on the smoker for about another 2 hours. All right, so we're gonna do an hour, we're gonna take a look at it, we're gonna put it back on there for another hour, and we should be done about 4 hour mark. We should be nice and tender and juicy, and then we'll get into it. Cheers to my friends, all my friends, new friends, old friends, all the friends. Woo! Back at it, baby. All right, gentlemen, so we're right at 3 hours. Let's go ahead and see what we have, see if we're nice and tender. Got my gloves on because it's hot as fuck. You know this is glass, right? All right, let's see what we got. Ooh, wait, look at that boy. Hold on. All right, got some tongs. Let's take a look. Feels pretty tender. Smoky, smoky. Hey, remember what I said at 3 hours, what we're gonna do? We're gonna flip this over, right? So just go ahead and flip it one time. Get this side down in the juice. It's really hot, steamy, steamy. Flip these, boys. All right, check this one out. That one, you know what? That one down there, we're just gonna leave down there. The ones on top, we're gonna flip. They need some love. All right, so we're back on here. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna crank this thing up to about 400 degrees for about another hour, get them nice and tender. I don't feel like being out here longer than that. It's too late. So 400 it is. Yee! All right, let's go. You got hot glass like that. You got some gloves like this. And we take care of that, man, you know? So we're gonna grab this, we're gonna take it, put it on the rack in the house real quick. Ow, bitch. See, that's what I'm talking about, dudes. Like, it's always like that. All right, fuck it, we're gonna take this shit anyway. Ow, ow, son of a bitch, I can't even fucking grab it. See what I'm saying? All right, fuck it, we're gonna do it anyway. Let me grab this piece right here. You see how that just came off the bone? Look, bone just came right out. So we're gonna take this and let it cool down for a second. It's hot as a bitch though, dude. So, you see how tender it is? Bones gone. Look, fat's rendered out. All right, so we're gonna take this one. I'm gonna pull it apart even more. That way you can get it cooled off faster. Holy shit, I don't even know what I'm doing with myself, dude. Let's try it, see what we have. Boy, it's fire. I tell you what, that fat rendered down good. Hey, they're super tender now, super juicy. I gotta get the other one. I'm sorry, gotta do it. Yeah, buddy. No more barbecue sauce. No nothing. Hey, eat them just like that. Delicious. Hey, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.